Hi, this is a demo video for Vector Research integrated amplifier VA-1100. This is a 2-channel amplifier. Got basic controls, power, got a headphone jack here. Got speaker outputs A and B, both left and right. Got your tone controls, bass, treble, balance, and then your inputs. Volume control, loudness, and subsonic filter. Not exactly sure what effect that has, but that was included. And there's a power meter here. I'll demonstrate that in a little bit. I had just finished recapping the power supply for a friend on this unit, so there's no top on it. Don't have the top with me to put on, but if you're interested, that's what the inside looks like. And we'll go around back here. There is a phono input, tuner, CD, video, and then it's got a couple tape in and record outs, tape or playback and record outs for cassette decks. And then, sorry about all the wires. Here's your typical spring-loaded speaker connectors, real simple. And then we've got a couple switched outlets here. Sorry about wires. Got a couple switched outlets here, and then one that's not switched. And there's our model number. And then you got a fuse holder there. So I'm going to turn the unit on. I've just got some music here. It's just some piano practice from my son on the tuner input. And let's turn it up. Start with one thing I notice is that I'll demonstrate this in a minute, but these power meters do work, but you really have to have the volume turned up pretty loud for them to light up. So what I've done is I've put a dummy load on the back of this unit on the B so that I can turn it up loud enough and not be blasting me out of here. So I'm going to turn off A and put on B, which are my dummy loads, which I've got these two units here. These are 150 watt, 8 ohm resistors. And I'm going to turn on B here. So we're not going to hear any sound, but I just wanted to show you when I turn this up, we will eventually get some sound out of the left and right. But you see, I have to go all the way up to the 7 mark to be getting these to light up. But they do work. Pretty cool. So I don't know if that's intended or or what, but and I noticed too this unit shows 120 watts on the meter. You know, that might be for, you know, brief periods possibly. I think this is rated at somewhere around 40 watts. I did a check on it with the dummy loads with a 1 kilohertz signal input, hooked it up to my oscilloscope and got it up just below clipping, and it was somewhere around 55 watts of output. So it's definitely reaching its rated value, if that rating is correct. I'm sure that's not the industry standard to read wattage, but I think it'll get you pretty close. So yeah, I'm seeing well over 50 watts of power out of this, and it's working nice. And yeah, that's really all I wanted to show, just to give it a quick demo. And just to note, there is another channel called Audio Electronics. He has a nice video on this unit too, if you just want a really nice high-res video of one with the top on it and everything. I'll put his link into the description below. So he's got a lot of nice videos over there for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pieces of vintage audio. Anyway, thanks for viewing.